Another day, another Buffbunny haul. This is currently their 70s collection. So cute. I'm so excited to try all these on. Before I start, I say this in every single video. I am an XX small on the top and bottom. I say that in every single video, but I just want to, you know, say it beforehand, just in case. But I'll let you guys know if any of the tops I would size up and things like that. If you want to stay tuned and see how these look on me, then keep on watching. Starting off with the Power Flower set. Power Flower, yes. I absolutely love this set. I got it in this beautiful blue color, and the next video is going to show the beautiful Farrah yellow color. I love the texture. It has an amazing feel to it. When you work out, I am obsessed. Next, we have the High Roller reversible bra with the Rosa shorts. One thing I love about the Rosa shorts is, one, it's brand spanking new. They have never made a Rosa shorts before. And two, it has this pocket. At first I was like, what the heck is this? But then I realized it was a cool little pocket to put your keys in and things like that. This is the top in reverse. You guys, it's so cute. I wish I got all the colors in these reversible tops. They're absolutely so stunning. A really good basic, good staple piece for your closet. Next, we have the Peace Pink with the Legacy shorts. These are not the Rosa shorts, these are the Legacy shorts, and this is how it looks flipped. The top, ooh la la, we love her. We give her a 10 out of 10. Next is the Rosa biker shorts. This is also new, I believe. I love how it makes my legs so skinny yet my hips so wide. I'm obsessed. Next, we have the Foxy set with the flare leggings. This is their first time having flare leggings, and I've been waiting for this moment. I have. Next is Permafrost Pullover V2, stunning. Same thing, but different color, Stardust color. I love this color more than the black one, but both are really good staple essential colors that you need for your closet. Same thing as the Permafrost Pullover in the Stardust color. I love this, period. Love it. Next, we have the Dazed mesh dress. It has this beautiful texture and it also has pockets, which is so convenient. Next, we have the Hottie Halter bodysuit, which I'm obsessed with. I wore this out and I got so many compliments on it. You could tie it up in multiple ways. This is also it in the Onyx black version. So cute. And that is all.